And we're back. It's been a little over 12 hours. I have removed the cork, and then we let the coffee drain into the coffee pot. And now we're going to put the coffee into a container. What I do is I use a glass to hold the brewing pot so that it doesn't fall over. And once again, here's another design flaw with this particular coffee pot. If you just try pouring it into a container, it does not pour straight, so it will spill all over everything. So I use a funnel. To pour this into the bottle. And it makes about a little over a quart. Now there's a few bubbles pouring out the outside of the bottle here. All right. Now, what I do is I make two batches. So the first batch is stronger, and it's more concentrated. Use exactly an ounce per cup, per 8 ounces, for making up coffee. The second batch, pour this off into another container. Let's choose this, another glass for now. Okay. Empty that out. We put the cork back in the bottom of this to hold the water in place. And put this back into the coffee pot. And this time, instead of 64 ounces of water, because the water has been soaked up by the coffee grounds, about a quart, we're going to add only 40 ounces this time. Then this is set to the same time, about 12 to 24 hours, and it'll make the second batch. Next, while I was getting ready to do this video, I saw a magazine article that talked about cold brew coffee. It's the latest edition of Craft, and said that you can actually brew this in a French press pot and just soak it overnight to do the same thing that this fancy brewer here does. So we're going to give that experimental a try. It takes 1/3 cup of coffee, which I haven't weighed out, so I'm not quite sure how that compares with the brewer. We put the 1/3 cup of coffee right in the press pot. And 1 1/3 cup water. And 1 1/2 cup of water. So let's make sure that's right. Good. Pour that in. Put the top on. And we let that sit overnight. And in the morning, we'll press this screen down and filter it through a paper filter to make sure there's no coffee grinds, and see how it works. So I'll just sit there next to it, and that's it for now.